hood stack's getting rubbed pretty bad by the hole in the hood, with the motor just kind of sitting out of cattywampus with the transmission out of it. Christ. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the garage. So if you've seen the last few videos, pretty much we've been working on our wiring for the interior here and just doing some interior modifications for the full race truck approach we're taking to the truck. I actually pulled the harness back out, and you will be thankful to know we're not doing any wiring tonight. So you, me, I'm sure we're all sick of the wiring. Well, I know I am. So we're going to take a little break from that. I'll try and, not show you guys as much of that. I know it's boring. But anyway, that being said, what I would like to get done tonight is I want to pull this, I guess it's a sound deadener or an slash insulation. I'm not 100% sure which. But I also want to get rid of our heater core. So if you can hear, I am currently draining the coolant into a 5-gallon bucket, so I'm probably going to have to take at least part of the turbo assembly here off so we can get that out, get the coolant riser pipe out. I need to find a block off of some sort for that, so I need to just kind of dive in there, see what's going on. But I figure while we're doing all that, we can also get rid of our AC condenser down here. Kind of wasted our time taking the transmission cooler, the 68 RFE transmission cooler off of there, but hey, you guys got to see something different. And I forget which one of you actually recommended that to me. Anyhow, so that's kind of the game plan. Get the heater core out, all the heater core lines, get the AC condenser and all that stuff out. I still need to order a AC condenser delete pulley for the truck, and do that whole setup. Just get rid of that whole AC compressor. And I think I just said AC condenser, and then I realized it was compressor. Anyway, doesn't matter. Get rid of the whole compressor, condenser, everything. Because our heater box, when we took the dash part, I don't know what happened. It was in a bunch of pieces. I don't get it. But we're not going to be needing any of that shit anymore, so we need to get rid of it. Just a few more pounds, a few more unnecessary parts. So let's get to it. We'll take this stuff apart and see what we got. Alright, so the heater core's out. This line, the steel line that goes back from the coolant riser to the heater core, I just nipped it with the Sawzall and then wiggled it back and forth and broke it in half to get it out. We're not going to need it, so figured fuck it. It's easier than taking the turbo and all that off. So our next step is we'll get rid of our AC condenser lines, our AC condenser, all that. I'll probably, well, there's no probably about it. I'll pull the grill, get the AC condenser out of there, and yeah, we'll continue on. All of our AC lines are out. They're out of the cab of the truck. Everything's laying over there on the ground. I just unbolted them from the AC compressor from now. I'm not going to pull it tonight. I definitely need to get one of the not pulley delete kits, but one of the replacement pulleys just to replace the AC compressor, fill that void for our belt. But there's also another thing I'm thinking about with that, so I'll have to wait till Monday to find more information out about that. So like I was saying, got all the things deleted off the front there, and the Mishimoto intercooler is looking pretty good. It's not one of the polished units. Actually, they don't have a polished unit for the 4th gens. They have these silver painted ones or black. But yeah, it's looking pretty good on the front of the truck there. Let me slide the grill on real quick. Not bad at all. So having the grill set on the truck, as you can see, the hood stack's getting rubbed pretty bad by the hole in the hood, with the motor just kind of sitting out of cattywampus with the transmission out of it. Christ. Alright, so now everything's settled back down, but yeah, the intercooler looks pretty good poking out of there. Definitely digging that. That's definitely a good look for the truck, having the AC condenser and the 68 RFE transcooler out of there. Definitely makes that Mishimoto intercooler pop in there. Yeah, looking good. Like I said, I really don't want to close that. It keeps hitting, keeps rubbing. It's really screwing up the hood stack. I need to either take it out or adjust it. We got some more useless crap, or now useless crap, off of the truck. Our AC condenser, our AC lines, all that kind of shit. Like I said, like I was saying about the water pump, not the water pump, that's going to kind of give it away, but oh well. But with the having to replace the AC compressor with that, like compressor delete kit, which is just like a bracket and a pulley, there's something else I want to do. I'm thinking about. So I have to wait until Monday and contact the guy who has that and just see what we need to do and all that, and whether it's feasible. I'm pretty sure that we're pretty much like exactly what the kit's made for, and I'll show you that after we go through it, or we'll talk about it at some point. But we got some stuff out of the truck. I wanted to get this insulation crap out, but it's not even that late. It is dark, but it's not that late out. But even with working and still hanging on to this cold, it's kind of kicking my ass a little bit, and just need to rest. I mean, that's what it comes down to. Tomorrow's Sunday, off, so I'm going to try and get some sleep, get some rest, and just try and finally get rid of this cold. It's just, not having energy sucks, especially when you're sleeping even more than normal. So I hope you guys did enjoy the video. If you did, please like it, subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you on the next one. Get out in your garage, get the wrenching on your truck.